Hey girlfriends, and I know y'all have asked me about a hair tutorial with the Rovy. This right here, the Tymo Rovy. So I thought since I'm here alone, only with sugar, I can go ahead and do this for you, okay? Now this is second day hair. So I did not wash it today. This is slept on, I got up, and this is what she looks like. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, okay? I could comb it out and fluff it up a little bit, but I feel like y'all have asked me so much about how my hair looks when I use the Rovy. So that's the reason I'm going to do that for you right now, and I'm going to show you what I use along the way to make it, stay. So, yay, I'm ready to do this. First of all, since my hair is in layers, a lot of layers, all of this is growing out. I'm letting it grow. But you're going to grab some of your hair and you're going to get you some Velcro rollers that have the metal inside of it. I think those are the best ones ever because you can just, use a hairdryer and put it there and it will give you some lift too. Just because it's got that metal in it. And the metal is so important too for the strength of the roller. Okay. So basically I do 1, 2, and then I put one right here, which is where my flat spot is. Wait a minute, I got to get a bigger one. And so we do this like this. And then I'll take 2 smaller ones and I place them. I grab my hair along here and pull it up. And do the same thing on the other side, okay? These are some I've had for a while, but they're not the large, they're more of a medium. Okay, so now, look, I've got all of this that I can work with now underneath. So, this is where I start, and I build it from here all the way up. Now, here's some items that you're gonna need when you do this. You're gonna need a pick, my favorite pick I've had for 20 years, yes. And you do need a comb maybe, and you're also going to need some kind of hairspray that you love, and I love Big Sexy Spray and Play Harder. Yeah, because my hair is baby fine. I live here in the South, and the humidity will just mess your hair up if you don't use something that can actually handle the humidity here like we have. So this is the Rovy, and I'm just going to show you how it opens. You turn this and it pops open. Now, this is where you turn it on and off, right down here. There's, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I should turn it the other way. There's 2 buttons right here. There you go. Ha. And then this is going to show you the temp of what you want. Now, I only use it on 280, which is the very first thing that will come up. Now, if you have thicker hair, you gear it toward whatever hair, you have. I can't do that, but it's going to show you the temperature right here. And it is kind of hard to read because it is LED light. And so let me see if I can turn this on now and get it going. Dun, 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 dun. There it goes. Now it says 280 there. You probably can't see it. But it's warming up. And once it beeps, wow, it's going fast. And once it beeps, then it's ready. Okay, it says 280 right here now. And so we are ready. So what I typically will do is set it down, and I'm going to grab up my hairspray and set it over here just in case I need it, because I may or may not. And I'm going to grab my 2 tools that I'm going to use. Now, section your hair off. I would start... A lot of times this is what I'll do. If I want to get rid of some hair here to kind of just pull it up across that, and you'll be able to work a little bit more. Because what you want to do is, oh, you got to stay up there now. Don't you be coming down. Oh, here we go. Now, take it, and this is, you're going to count. I have baby fine hair, so I don't leave mine very long. Now, you're going to have to figure that out on your own. I go 1, 2. There you go. There's part of it. and I go all the way around my head. 2, just like that. All the way. Even underneath here. Now I can just move this over. And I've gotten pretty good at this. I take kind of big chunks now because it just makes sense, because I'm going to fluff it out anyway. And then I close my eyes and think of what the back looks like. And we just do the same thing here. And if you hear snoring, that is Sugar. She's on the bed asleep. I don't know what I'd do without her. She is such great entertainment. Now, here we go. In the front again. 2. Look at that, girl. If you've got baby fun hair, you need this. I wouldn't put it on a really high setting, though. Keep it at a minimum. So I'm going to try, maybe I should try to speed this up for you, because this could take forever in a day, but it really doesn't. It's so easy to do. And then once you get it down, you'll be a master at it, like me. And you just get it, the waves all over. Now, here at the top, basically I do the same thing. I'll take this and I bring it up and up like that. And we'll do this and this like that. And you grab this side. See how the Velcro rollers really do help you? Now, you don't have to take as, I like taking a little bit of sections. Hang on, I got my wheel. I got to bring this up a little bit more. So I usually start at the top here and just get this part going. Because see, it sticks out. Mine does. Now, I don't have any hairspray or anything. This is my hair that has been washed. And, you know, I blew it dry. And that's it. Ta-da. Or did I? No, that's right. I did. I washed it yesterday. So this is second day hair. Sorry. I don't know where I am half the time. All right. Close my eyes. Look at the back of my head. Just a little. Make sure you get it underneath. I'm not all here, y'all. I'm just not. My brain's 90 miles an hour half the time. Okay. Look at the back. See how it does? Isn't it the coolest thing ever? And don't worry about how it's sticking out here, because, all right, there's one I got to get out. Now I've got to do the flat part of my head. Let me turn around. Do that and that. And if there's anything else under there, do it too. Because you want to get it all. You want to get everywhere that you need. Now, I don't really do a whole lot here in the front. I will kind of fix my hair just a tad. I'm going to go ahead and take these out, because this is the hardest part right here, because I don't really want a super lot of curl there. So what I do is I start at the back, grab it, just like that, and see, it's wavy. And I'm going to take like this, then to make sure you want to make sure which way you're going to part it, right? So I'm going to take what I know I need to go this way, and then I'm going to come right here and take this piece that I have not done anything with, and I'm going to scrunch it. Not a whole lot. I don't like it really wavy on top as much. So just be mindful of your hair and what you like, because that's what you're going to get in the end. Now, yeah, you can manipulate it if you want to. You definitely can do that. So let's do this here. I'm just going to get a little wave right through here. And I really don't like to mess with this part yet, because I like to kind of comb it out a little bit, just to see maybe where I need a little bit more. So right now, what we're going to do is set this down, and we're going to take my fingers, and we're going to go through my hair. This is what I do. And you can close your eyes, pretend you see the back of your head. But this is the telltale sign that you know where else you need to do it. Look at that. Look at the fullness. Now, I can come back up here and play with anything I want to now, because I haven't really curled it as much yet. I close my eyes and kind of do it like this. And then if you wanted to, you could go ahead and do your hairspray, a little bit of hairspray, and then scrunch it and then look and see. Because I don't like it really, really curly up here. I love the curls all around here. So this is basically what I will do. Just like that. And then I come and scrunch it. Just scrunch away. And you're going to let it be. And let it settle. Okay, now there are a couple places that I want to scrunch, which is right here. You want to take one here, like that, and I want one like right here, like that. Okay, now that's got to cool off. Don't go messing with it. I do leave this like this. I don't like the curl there, but it is pretty like right through the top of the crown. So that's basically where I stop. Don't do my bangs. I've tried it before, but I really didn't like it. It was just a little bit too much. So let me turn this, and let me turn this off. And it's so easy to do. You can do this, I promise you. So, all right, so there we go. Let me set that over there. And let's finish this up. And you're gonna need your hairspray. Yeah. Don't you wish you was my neighbor? Yeah. You would hear me laugh. Woo, look at that. You would hear me laughing a whole lot. Or either getting on to sugar. Either one. I don't know which one you would hear the most. But she's quite a handful. Let me just say that. All right, I need my pick. So here's where my pick comes in. Now I take the pick, and this is where I'm going to get the hairs going exactly where I want them. And you can do, you do you now. You don't have to do exactly like me. I'm just playing around with it. But I do love it when it comes together. And you can scrunch it. Scrunch it a little bit more. And scrunch. Scrunch. What do you think? Y'all should try this. I mean, it looks like I got more hair than I normally do. And my hair, honestly, is so much better than it used to be. I can actually do stuff with it now. And I really do. When I'm looking at it in the mirror, sometimes I'm just like, wow, okay. My hair is looking pretty darn good. So let's spray a little here. And this is what I do. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Let it dry. You're going to do the same thing over here. There's a friend of mine, her hair, I guess was the inspiration for me doing this because I loved her hair, but her hair's like naturally curly. Mine is not. So hers just has these little ringlets. And so that's what this kind of looks like. And that's the reason I like it so much. Now we're going to take our pick. Because if you live in the South, you got to have big hair. So this is it. Lift it up. I don't like it flat on my head. Never have. And I think the reason is because I have a small head. I do. I got a small face and small head. So I'll do that. Let that settle a second. And then just kind of scrunch it. This is not going to be the same every time you do it. You're just going to have to play with it. Okay? So play around with your hair. And if you have questions or something, you can always message me and say, what the heck did you do? And I'll try to help you out. But this is it. The Rovy is the way to go. It's that simple and that easy to do. Yes. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'll put the link for the Rovy. And you can go and get you one. And you can try it out too. I'm going to make sure that you get the mini one though. So not the huge one. That's way too heavy and way too bulky. All right. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I hope this helps you with your hair game. See you later.